Today's recording will show how to properly create a customer group and manage customer functionality in the Sylius platform. First, we will focus on creating a customer group. Click on the Groups button on the left sidebar. You will be redirected to a panel where information about existing customer groups is provided. In addition, you have access to information such as the code, the name of the group, and the actions you can take. You can search for these groups using the available filter. Let's go to the panel for creating a given group. To do this, click the Create button in the upper right corner. To create a given group, you must enter the code and the name of the group you want to create. For example, we will create a group called VIP clients for this recording. Now that we've created a given group, it should show up in the main panel, where there is information about all the groups inside your organization. In this part of the recording, we will show you how to properly manage the customers who make purchases in your store. To begin, click on the Customers button on the page's left side. You will be shown a panel where you can find all the information about your users. Their name, email, registration date, current statuses, and possible actions to take. To search for a particular customer more efficiently, use the Sylius platform's filters. To create a new customer, click the Create button in the upper right corner. You will be shown a panel where you can enter the data of the customer you can add. His name, surname, email, or even add him to the group we created earlier, the VIP clients group. Then you can fill in data like gender, date of birth, phone number, or even fraud status. Let's leave it neutral for now. Finally, click the Create button to add the customer successfully. As you can see, the person has been added to the list of customers. By clicking on the Edit button on any customer, you can make changes such as whether the customer's account has been verified or affect their fraud status. Now, this customer is blacklisted and verified. His status has changed. Clicking on the Show button will give you access to individual data. In addition, by clicking on the Show Orders button, you will have access to information about the orders he has made.